Hi. I got something. I got a package. See, I don't know if you can see that. No, like, yeah, it is this big. It's BiR. Let's see. So I just got it now. Planning to, like, I'll make an unboxing video and I'll keep it with this video. Like, make a vlog out of it. So I got this. Yeah. InsideFPV BiR. And I don't know what else. So this is the box of it. Nothing much. So I just ordered this from Amazon. It's a BiR drone. I just wanted to experience it, so why not? So as you can see, the specifications of this drone specifically. It is for 10,000 rupees. Like, they have given 10,000, but I don't know. I purchased it for somewhere around 3. So let's unbox. Put some music on. So this is the drone. We'll keep this aside. And let's open this first. Don't know, maybe controller. Oh yeah. Booklet, I don't know, instruction manual, some random propellers, extra propellers I guess, charger, and the thing to remove the propeller from the motor. It's a set. This is the phone mount. Oh, okay. And this is the controller. I think this requires batteries. Oh, cool. Let me get my phone. Damn, cool. That's cool. Okay, keep this aside. Get my phone this side. Coming to the main thing. So this is the drone. Nice packaging. It's like this. उल्टा क्यों है ये पीछे? Okay, let's open this. Oh, cool. Where should I throw this? Side. So, okay, this is the battery connection, and this is the camera connection. Let's save this later. So it has a camera installed here. This is the battery. The prop guards are already installed. I don't know why. Okay. Feels good. Looks good. Sturdy enough. Okay.
A few moments later.
And the battery is like somewhat charged. You can fly it for once. Okay, so you have to connect it like this. This you have to connect. The drone lights will come on. This is the front. This is the rear. Okay, so you keep it there. Okay, and now to connect this thing. Okay, so what you'll have to do, you'll have to first put AA batteries over here. Up, down. Okay, it is set. It is collaborated. And now to arm it, you just have to do this. The gesture. Disarmed it. Okay. Armed. Okay, I'm gonna fly it now. So 3, 2, 1. Here goes to the thing. I was practicing like yesterday. I can't. Can you see this? I crashed it. I'll stop this. Okay, now let's see. Let's try to land it somewhere. It is close. Okay, I'll land it then. 1, So let's take this on an adventure somewhere. Let's fly this outside. I want to see how it looks. Bye.